So yeah, I'm getting it started, kicking off today with a donut tiramisu.
Donuts?
That's right.
Tiramisu?
So we're basically replacing...
That would be fun for a brunch.
Exactly, yeah. So we're
A lovely
basically
brunch.
replacing the lady fingers that you would typically use in a tiramisu with
Gotcha.
donuts.
With donuts.
And all of these recipes we're going to show you guys today, they all have donuts in them, obviously, but they're also all no-bake desserts, and they're super easy and just like assembly only. So these are like really simple things that pretty much anybody can make. So in this stand mixer, I have 1.25 cups of heavy cream. I just whipped that a little bit. I added in a whole...
Don't make butter. Don't take it too far.
Right. I added in a container of mascarpone. A little bit of cocoa powder, because I'm going to make a chocolate tiramisu today.
Chocolate tiramisu.
Kind of fun twist on a tiramisu. And then we're going to sweeten it up with just a little bit of powdered sugar. Because our donuts are pretty sweet, so we don't need a ton of it.
I was going to say, because your donuts, even plain donuts, of course, sweet to begin with.
Exactly. So in this casserole dish right here, I just cut the donuts in half. I laid them in there, and then we're just going to brush the tops with some cold coffee.
You want me to do that for you?
Sure. You just kind of brush the tops and let those kind of soak up the coffee a little bit. Because what's better than coffee and donuts, right? So you're getting coffee and donuts in one casserole.
One-stop shopping.
No dunking necessary. They're like pre-dunked donuts.
Pre-dunk your donuts.
Exactly. So I'm just going to stir this up a little bit. And then we're going to put half of this on top of our coffee-soaked donuts. Coming in.
Yes, sir.
Bloop.
Coming in cold.
And then we just kind of spread that around. It's like a donut casserole.
Donut casserole.
And then we put the rest of our donut tops right back on top of there. You can kind of layer them a little bit if you need to.
Shingle them.
If you don't. Luckily, I have one back here that's already done. It's nice and pretty. You let that sit in the fridge for a couple hours overnight.
Ta-da!
I'm going to top it with some chopped chocolate-covered espresso beans.
Woo! Chocolate-covered espresso.
I know,
Yum.
right? Don't have too many of those.
We'll be up all day.
And then some cocoa powder, of course, because it is a tiramisu.
Nice.
Look at that. Beautiful, right?